In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Remitly app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the currency Remitly uses by choosing the correct destination country and how that carries through your transfer setup. Start by opening Remitly, either in the app or by visiting their website. From the home screen, select Send Money. This takes you into the transfer flow where Remitly determines currency based on where your recipient lives. That's the key. The destination country controls the received currency. Look for the section that asks, "Where are you sending?" Tap it to open the country selector. If you don't immediately see your destination, open the All Countries list. Browse or use search to find the correct country for your recipient. Once you pick it, Remitly automatically switches the received currency to what's standard in that country. You'll also see the exchange rate and fees update accordingly. If the currency doesn't look right, double check that you chose the correct country. It's the fastest way to fix currency mismatches. Next, choose Send to New Recipient if you're setting someone up for the first time. If you already have saved recipients, the currency will align with each recipient's country, but for a new one, starting here ensures the currency setting carries forward. On the amount screen, you'll see two fields. You send and they receive. The you send field shows the currency from your sending location, while they receive reflects the destination currency you just set. Enter an amount in either field and watch the other update based on the current rate. This is a good moment to confirm the received currency is correct before moving on. Select a delivery method that works in the chosen country, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Available options can vary by destination, but your currency selection will stay the same no matter which delivery method you choose. Then select your payment method, like bank account, debit card, or credit card. Processing times and fees may differ by method, but again, your currency setup remains unchanged. When everything looks good, click Continue. You'll advance to the Review and Details screens where you can confirm recipient information, see a summary of the exchange rate and fees, and make sure the received currency is exactly what you want before completing the transfer. If at any point you need to change currencies again, just return to the Where are you sending? Selector, open all countries, and pick the correct destination to update it.